Hi, I'm Chaco, founder of Chamakkatt Herbal products. For over 45 years, my career has revolved around one thing: quality. I began in quality assurance with a multinational company in Saudi Arabia. And for the past 23 years, I have dedicated that same discipline to Ayurveda manufacturing here in Kerala. Today, Chamakkatt Herbal Products produces 310 certified Ayurvedic products, all produced under GMP and ISO 9001-2015 standard with complete compliance documentation. What makes us different? We guarantee batch-to-batch consistency, on-time delivery, and offer white label partnership that helps wellness brands, spas, clinics, and distributors grow without manufacturing stress. If you are searching for a long-term, reliable Ayurveda partner who believes in zero compromise quality, I would like to connect. Together, we can bring authentic Ayurveda to the world. Thank you.